Welcome to downtown Orlando again. And one thing that I love about downtown Orlando, different from any other downtown in US, is we got space. With lakes all around and large streets, this property will be a perfect fit. And today, I'm gonna show you these beautiful two-store properties here in the heart of Orlando. The location is perfect. 3 minutes from Lake Eola, 5 minutes from the Kia Center, and 8 minutes from the Dr. Phillips Performing Art. You find here everything you need, walkable to shops, restaurants, bars, everything a big city offers. This house features 2,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 2-car garage. With luxury touches, this will be the perfect fit for your family. My name is Caio Menegon, and I help families here in Orlando to achieve their real estate dreams. This is a historic district. That means every touch has been thought and put a lot of effort. The city checked everything, so quality, it's not a problem here. And also, 1 minute away to your left, you got the Lake Lawsona, which is perfect for morning walks with a beautiful view. And after enjoying your walks in the lake that is 1 minute away, imagine coming home to enjoy a great cup of coffee or tea in this large balcony. Or if you're just like me, imagine spending the night with a glass of wine and the quiet of downtown. But my friends, with no more expectation, I don't want to keep you waiting. Let's go and check the inside of this gorgeous property. As we step inside, we find ourselves here. The staircase to the second floor, kitchen, living area, dining area. As we step out of the living room, we find ourselves on the east side of the house in this beautiful dining area. Windows all around with lots of sunlight the entire day. The table, you can fit here 6 to 8 guests and host the most fantastic dinners. The vaulting ceilings makes a special touch for sure. And if you want to talk about cozy, this living room is everything you need. I can see myself playing Uno here, watching TV with my family. In the winter, okay, we do have winter sometimes. This beautiful built-in fireplace is everything you need. This beautiful living area and the entire house has been renovated with luxury vinyl floor. And to add on in this living room, we got this big window that flushes the entire room with sunlight. So you got the cozy, you got the dining area, and here in the back side, you got the fun room. This open concept room will bring you moments of joy for sure. Even if you're just playing a game or board games, watching a movie. We got 5 windows that brings all this natural light the entire day. We got access right here to the back patio so you can watch your kids playing, your dog. This is the perfect area. Right here in front of me now, we find the half bathroom, which for me, it's so well designed. The finishes in this half bathroom are so perfect. This back panel goes so well with the choices of the golden accents and the green vanity. And now, this is my favorite room. As they call the heart of the house, this kitchen won't disappoint you. I love what they did here with all the gold finished. It's a chef kiss. Right here, you got your electric stove, your pot filler, your dishwasher, and this huge and modern sink. All the cabinets are new, and of course, As I told you, quality. Every single one, soft close. On this side, you got your fridge, built-in microwave and stove, and right here, your breakfast nook where you can enjoy every morning with your family before kids go into school. And now, let's go to the second floor. I'm so excited to show you the master bedroom. Let's go. Are you guys ready to see the second floor? Because I am. On the left side here, the first guest bedroom. This guest bedroom, it's perfect for people that comes to visit you. So you have, families, friends hanging out here to go to the parks or to a game in downtown. This room is perfect, cozy, and of course, with 2 windows and a walk-in closet makes it perfect to anyone visiting your beautiful house. And this bedroom, it's located to the front of the house. As you can see here, there's 2 big windows facing the front street and 1 big window to the left side. So again, sunlight here is the main thing in this property. There's just this light here, and look how much light you have here. Now, let's check the bathroom. Right here, you have this all renovated bathroom, which for me, it's a showstopper because of this view and everything they did here. You have your toilet right here, your shower, well done tiles. I love this color. Everything they did here, the black goes super well with these cabinets, wooden, and the lighting. And now let's go check the master bedroom. That way. Yeah, go. This way. This master bedroom, I'm jealous. I'm jealous for who buy this house because I wanted this bedroom for me. Look the size of this. You can have this huge bed in here. This is a queen size, I think, right? But you can put a king size here and you still have all that space for you and your partner. 2 big windows on this side, 2 big windows on that side. And of course, for a big house like this, a big closet like this. You have racks all on this side, shoes, space, it's not a problem here. Let me show you the master bathroom. This is insane. This huge tub and modern. Look at the design of this. I love the rounded, this shower head right here. I can see myself, with a glass of wine, a book, just relaxing with the calm of downtown. You wanna talk about standing shower? Look at this. It fits me and the camera guy inside of here. Like, this is space. Look, you can take shower with your partner, have your karaoke night. No problem here at all. Of course, you can see right behind me your toilet. You do your private things. I don't need to tell you that. And this beautiful vanity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I just lost count, but look how many. Like, you can have everything you need storage here. Double sink, mirrors, beautiful lighting. And now, let's go to the patio. I told you before that I would be drinking wine in the porch, but I think I changed my mind. Look at this. I would for sure have wine night every night here in this huge back patio that goes all around. So you have space, privacy to your own backyard. As you can see right there, there's 2-car garage. You could even build a pool or a jacuzzi. There's space for your kids, for your dog. You guys can have plenty of fun in this backyard. And now that we are about to be done with this tour, I want to show you this backyard, which for me, it's so perfect. You have this green area right here. I love what they did with the fences, all black, brings this modern vibe. And here you could have, a built-in pool, a jacuzzi, a trampoline for your kids, lots of space, as I said before, for dogs, gathering nights. And right here, the 2-car garage, which if you don't like it to have it, I would just take it down and have even more space for pool and entertainment. Well guys, this is the last part of the video. I hope you like it. You already know me. My name is Caio Menegon, and I'm here to help you find your perfect home in Orlando. If you want more information about this property or any other in Orlando area, you know what to do, right? Just follow me. You know my Instagram is right here. My phone number, my email, everything, all the handles are Caio Menegon. CAIO MENEGAO. Bye.